Right, so we have been getting a fair bit done on this project, but we just haven't been filming it regularly. So here's the next step. We need to make new tie bars. That's the original Yamaha tie bar, which doesn't fit on this chassis. So here's the ends to make, which need to be welded onto here with another end this side. Again, this cap needs to be welded on. For that, we've made up some brackets that need to be welded onto the frame, and that's being done pretty shortly, so we can show you that afterwards. We've made all that up. Coils need to go on. They're just the coil mounts that need to be put onto the frame, and just a little jig so they can be welded on the right spaces. Picked up a Pingle fuel tap for it. Don't want it running out of fuel, not getting enough flow. And this piece here is for the fuel tank that we made up, a disc. Picked up a new fuel tank off eBay, I think for 250 quid, GSXR600 one. Because of the fuel pump and that, it's not needed. So we've made up this disc to go in here. New disc. That's just got to be welded into there, weld that little hole up, and the fuel tap can screw straight into that. Yeah, so that's it for this instalment. There's quite a bit of welding to do, and we'll show you that once it's done on the bike.